Handcrafted upcycled wood decor holds a unique beauty that goes far beyond visual appeal. Each piece tells a story of transformation, where discarded or overlooked wood is given new life through creativity and skilled craftsmanship. Unlike mass-produced decor, upcycled wood pieces celebrate natural imperfections such as knots, grain variations, cracks, and weathered textures. These details add character and authenticity, making every item truly one of a kind and deeply connected to nature. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets sustainability, and simple materials are transformed into something truly special. Today's video is all about handcrafted beauty, showing how scrap wood can be transformed into stunning upcycled home decor. In a world where waste is often overlooked, wood scraps hold hidden potential, warmth, and character. Every offcut, discarded plank, or weathered piece of wood tells a story, and with a little imagination, those stories can continue inside our homes as meaningful decor. One of the most compelling aspects of handcrafted upcycled wood decor is its ability to bring warmth and soul into a space. Wood has a natural ability to soften interiors, and when it is reclaimed and handcrafted, it carries an added sense of history and meaning. Whether used as wall art, shelves, table accents, or decorative sculptures, upcycled wood instantly creates a welcoming atmosphere. It blends effortlessly with a wide range of styles, from rustic and farmhouse to modern and minimalist, making it a versatile design choice for any home. Upcycled wood decor is more than just a trend, it's a creative lifestyle choice. It reflects an appreciation for craftsmanship, sustainability, and individuality. Instead of mass-produced items, handcrafted wooden decor brings soul and authenticity into living spaces. Whether your style leans rustic, modern, minimal, or organic, scrap wood can be shaped, refined, and styled to suit any interior. In this video, we explore how overlooked wood pieces can become eye-catching decor elements that elevate your home while reducing waste. Scrap wood decor also carries emotional value. When something once considered useless becomes beautiful again, it creates a deeper connection between the maker, the object, and the space it lives in. This transformation process is what makes upcycled decor so powerful and inspiring. Creativity plays a central role in the beauty of upcycled wood decor. Working with scrap wood encourages designers and makers to think differently, adapting their ideas to the shape, size, and texture of the material available. This often results in more innovative and artistic designs. A short plank, an uneven offcut, or a worn piece of timber can become a striking decorative feature when arranged thoughtfully. The process itself becomes an expression of imagination, turning limitations into design strengths. Sustainability is another layer of beauty found in handcrafted upcycled wood decor. By reusing existing materials, waste is reduced and the demand for new resources is minimized. This eco-conscious approach adds value beyond aesthetics, allowing decor to reflect responsible living and mindful consumption. Choosing upcycled wood decor is a small but meaningful step toward creating a home that aligns with environmental values while still looking stylish and refined. There is also an emotional connection that comes with handcrafted pieces. Knowing that a decor item was carefully made by hand from reclaimed materials creates a deeper appreciation for the object. These pieces often become conversation starters, admired not only for how they look, but for the story behind them. In a world driven by fast trends, handcrafted upcycled wood decor stands as a timeless reminder that beauty can be created thoughtfully, sustainably, and with intention, turning the ordinary into something truly extraordinary. The transformation from scrap to stunning decor begins with vision. Many beautiful pieces start with simple ideas, reimagining what a piece of wood could be instead of what it currently is. Old pallets, broken furniture parts, construction leftovers, and fallen branches can all become raw materials for decor projects. Wall decor is one of the most impactful ways to showcase upcycled wood. Layered wood panels, abstract arrangements, or minimalist wooden art pieces instantly add depth to blank walls. Small scrap pieces arranged thoughtfully can form beautiful patterns, creating visual interest without overwhelming the space. Tabletop decor is another area where scrap wood shines. Candle holders, trays, planters, and decorative blocks add charm and functionality. These items are not only visually appealing, but also practical, making them perfect for everyday use. Their handcrafted nature makes them excellent conversation starters and thoughtful gifts. If you're enjoying these creative upcycled wood decor ideas so far, this is a great moment to support Kuki Decor. Subscribe to the channel for daily inspiration, creative upcycling ideas, and unique handcrafted decor concepts. Don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who loves sustainable design and creative home decor. Your support helps us keep bringing you fresh ideas every single day. One of the strongest reasons upcycled wood decor continues to grow in popularity is its environmental impact. By reusing scrap wood, we reduce waste, minimize the demand for new materials, and lower the environmental footprint of home decor. Sustainable choices like these help create more responsible living spaces without sacrificing style. Upcycled decor also encourages mindful consumption. Instead of buying items that may not last, handcrafted wood pieces are often built to endure. Their timeless design means they won't go out of style quickly, making them a smart long-term investment for your home. It promotes hands-on making, problem-solving, and artistic expression. Whether created by professionals or DIY enthusiasts, these pieces reflect care, intention, and individuality, qualities that mass-produced decor often lacks. Many people assume upcycled decor only suits rustic or farmhouse interiors, but that's far from true. Scrap wood decor blends beautifully into modern, minimalist, and even industrial spaces when designed thoughtfully. Clean lines, neutral finishes, and simple forms allow reclaimed wood to complement contemporary interiors effortlessly. In modern homes, upcycled wood often acts as a grounding element. It softens sleek surfaces, adds warmth to neutral color palettes, and brings a sense of balance. A single handcrafted wooden piece can become a focal point, adding character without clutter. What truly sets upcycled wood decor apart is the emotional connection it creates. Knowing that an object was once discarded but given new life adds meaning to the space it occupies. Each piece becomes a symbol of creativity, resilience, and thoughtful design. Homes filled with handcrafted decor often feel more personal and lived in. They reflect stories, values, and individuality rather than trends alone. Upcycled wood decor, in particular, carries a sense of authenticity that resonates deeply with those who appreciate natural materials and handmade craftsmanship. This emotional value is one reason upcycled decor makes such thoughtful gifts. Giving someone a handcrafted piece made from reclaimed materials is more than gifting an object, it's sharing a story and a message of sustainability. As we come to the end of today's video, remember that beauty doesn't always come from something new. Sometimes, it comes from seeing potential where others see waste. Scrap wood transformed into stunning upcycled decor is a powerful reminder that creativity and sustainability go hand in hand. At Kuki Decor, we believe every material has value and every space deserves character. By choosing handcrafted, upcycled wood decor, you're not only enhancing your home, you're embracing mindful living and creative expression. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor, because we post new decor and upcycling videos daily. Like, comment, and share to let us know which idea inspired you the most. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next creative journey right here on Kuki Decor.